Today we are unboxing my new kitchen set.
Welcome to Aaradhya's exciting world.
So guys, let's start this. So first I'm gonna get these tools out. So let's start. So now we are gonna get these kitchen tools free. Like this. So guys, what is this tool for? I will give you a one hint. It cuts stuff. And can you tell all about this? We can use it to open a one bottle that is hard for us. This is a pizza pan. So you use this for cook pizza. Yummy pizza cooking. Okay, so let's see. What is this for? Pan. And final thing, we use the spoon to drink some soup. Now let's get this pan out with this thing, and one pan with his big top. So let's take this. This is a one gas to cook stuff on it. And this is a cooker that we can cook. We can cook vegetable on this one. In this one. Here is another pan. Stop power. Now we know this is another pan. So we learn what is the pan looks like. So now you guess it. Our second cooker. So this also comes with this. So guys, now we are gonna make stuff. Now we are gonna start cooking. Let's do it. I put some soup in it. Let's make a tomato soup. So I need one of these. Just mix it off. Actually, no, I don't like tomato soup, but I like to make something. Okay, it's gonna get harder. Now let's continue on this one. Let's add some lettuce in it and tomatoes in it. We're gonna make a one salad in this one. And mix. Our salad is now done. I don't know where is the plate, but oh, yes. Our soup is ready. Tomato soup. That is so yummy. Okay. Yeah, we can make paneer sabji. Okay, let's make paneer shack. Okay, I'm gonna add some paneer on the plate. In a way, put it on that, and I do. Okay, I get it just 1 meter on the. Okay, now let's see. Is it pretty good? It is pretty good. To get the bottle. That is enough. Good. Okay. I don't have a dish, but I have these ingredients. I can use this. Here's our one juicy plate. But it's not big enough, but that's okay. Put paneer shack over here. And get the one bowl one. And get a yummy soup out. Tomato soup. And put it in the bowl. And now let's put our salad. Okay, so we are done with this. Look at my tasty plate. Okay, but now we are gonna make a one vegetable. Guys, I need a one vegetable for this. Do you know? Did you spot a one vegetable? Oh yeah, over here. I have a one tomato. Let's cut it. And now be careful of sharp objects, okay guys? You probably need to ask a dog to help. So, this is a toy. That means I could do. This is a toy, but I can't. Bye! Bye, 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 bye.
Subscribe to my channel.